equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on fixing the E55 weight cell issue in your Thermomix TM31. This problem can be frustrating, but with the right tools and guidance, you can tackle it effectively. Let's get started. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a multimeter for testing, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Ensure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small parts. Begin by unplugging your Thermomix TM31. Safety is paramount, so make sure it's completely disconnected from any power source. Next, remove the base by unscrewing the 4 Phillips screws located at the bottom. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the base is off, you'll see the internal components. Locate the weight cell, which is typically situated near the bottom of the unit. It's essential to handle this part with care, as it is delicate. If you notice any visible damage or corrosion, this could be the source of your E55 error. Now, using your multimeter, test the weight cell for continuity. If there's no continuity, it may need replacing. If you're unsure about this process, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our experts can help you determine the exact issue without any pressure to commit to repairs. If the weight cell is faulty, you'll need to disconnect it. Carefully unscrew any screws holding it in place and gently pull it out. Take note of how it's connected, as you'll need to replicate this when installing the new part. Before installing the new weight cell, take a moment to clean the area. Use a soft cloth to remove any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will ensure a better connection and prevent future issues. Now, install the new weight cell by reversing the disassembly process. Secure it in place with the screws you previously removed. Make sure everything is tightly fitted, as loose connections can lead to further errors. Once the new weight cell is installed, it's time to reassemble your Thermomix. Replace the base and screw it back in securely. Before plugging it back in, double-check that all screws are tightened and that there are no leftover parts. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This means you can have your Thermomix serviced without the hassle of traveling or making phone calls. Just let us know, and we'll take care of everything. Finally, plug in your Thermomix TM31 and turn it on. Test the weight function to ensure it's working correctly. If the E55 error persists, it may be time to consider professional help. We provide a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. In summary, fixing the E55 weight cell issue in your Thermomix TM31 can be straightforward with the right tools and guidance. Remember to take your time, and don't hesitate to reach out for professional assistance if needed. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.